Alright, right now, today, we're gonna do a little unboxing. This is the first time I've unsealed this. I haven't taken it out yet, so we're gonna look and see what all's in. This is my Kickstarter order for the M3D, the micro 3D printer, and looks like they filled out my order sheet correctly with the right color of filaments that I ordered and the power adapter USB cable that come with the micro 3D printer, or the micron. Is it micro? Here's a little instruction for unpacking. Remove all tape, bubble wrap, and foam. Be sure to remove all 3D printed parts, including the two gantry clips on the inside edges of the printer. Please see the unboxing video and first time user setup video on your YouTube channel for more guidance. I can download the software from their website, and I simply plug in and connect the micro via USB to the computer, and the software will automatically detect the printer, and I can upload a STL file, load a filament, and print. It's supposed to be that easy. So they've packed them nicely in the side. Here's my crystal clear 3D ink filament. So looks like it's got a little rip area for you to just easily pull it out and open it. That's cool. Looks intentional. And yep, we have that again. So either that happened in packing or it's an intentional little thing. Probably packing though. This is the satellite silver 3D. As you can see, it's pretty dark. It's not very clear, but it's silver. And we should have two more in here. Ooh, look at the bright green. Bright green filament. This is the deep shamrock. I really wanted that color. And last but not least, the light Caribbean 3D ink print filament. All of this is PLA. It's not ABS, so it's PLA. It should be good for everyday items. And light Caribbean I thought was a good replacement. I tried to order more of a purple or red, but they were out, or it was going to take longer to ship my product, and I said no. I've been waiting on this thing since December of last year, and had some issues getting my order processed, and then finally all the issues were resolved and they shipped it, and I got it within a week. Alright, so now we take the main item out. Well, let's do it right. Alright. Alright, we have our USB cable. Look at that. That stinking old standard printer USB cable. I hate these things. But hey, if it works, it works. And a simple and sweet, let's see, 0.6 amp 5 volt power adapter, standard plug. Yep. And then here it is, everyone. M3D printer with lovely blue tape. Ooh. Really stuck it to it. It's very light, extremely light. I like this. You've got your printing board here for the area. This is obviously the print space that it can